taken forever because he stops every like 2 seconds to get some pretty good shots, like that one. I'm usually the one. There he goes. Like I said, 2,000 photos. But I just realized with this whole filming a YouTube thing that I probably should be on camera a little bit more often than I am. So here I am showing my face more often and sharing more of like our experience over here in Europe. It's pretty good, honestly. Like yesterday I actually had like a mental breakdown. Last night I had a mental breakdown. Like it was bad. I was just feeling kind of like emotionally tired. And that's just the reality of life, huh? We all have those low moments. We also have really high moments, so we have to acknowledge both of them. So yeah, maybe I'll talk about that a bit more later. But for now, I really think you guys should enjoy these views, because like if you have not been to Plitvice Lakes in Croatia, please put it on your to-do list. Like I know everyone wants to go to the cities, but like this is pretty crazy. It's pretty amazing. I would put this in like top 10 places in Europe. So Rob.
Yes, fellow.
How are you enjoying this walk?
Spectacular. Marvelous.
Magnifique. As the French might say. I don't know. Anyways.
Good times.
It's pretty epic, you know? You know what I mean? And if you're wondering why, like, anytime my face is on camera and I'm moving, like I'm clearly holding something and the quality is a lot lower, it's because I'm recording on my iPhone. Because I have a A6000 without the flip screen. So that's kind of like why I haven't really been filming myself. But you know what? I'm just gonna go with it. You know how they say just start where you're at? Well, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing here. And even though I had an emotional breakdown last night, this honeymoon's pretty cool. We just saw like another really amazing view. That one. Anyways, yeah. There's not a lot to say on this video, other than like I really like the views. I don't know how people figure out what to say on YouTube. But anyways, I guess you're just meant to film and share your life, so that's what I'm trying to do. Even though I feel a little bit weird sometimes when I film. So yeah, that's it for now.